A beautifully designed bathroom offers us several advantages beyond aesthetics. So friends, in this video we will going to know what are the advantages of a beautiful bathroom designs and what are the points to consider before designing your bathroom. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's continue to the topic. A well-designed bathroom can create a beautiful atmosphere, helping you unwind and reducing the stress. Thoughtful elements like lighting, fixtures, and color scheme contribute to a more calming environment. And most important part, a beautiful bathroom design is an increase the home value. An attractive bathroom design can boost the value of your home. Potential buyers often focus on bathrooms when deciding whether a home is worth with the investment. Good design balance style with the functionality, well-planned layouts, efficient storage, and high-quality materials make daily routines more convenient and enjoyable. A beautiful bathroom reflects your personal taste and style. Make it a space that feels uniquely it's yours. A beautiful design bathroom get better space optimization. Thoughtful design can maximize space even in the small bathrooms through creative storage solution and smart use of mirrors, lights and layout. A clean and well lit and properly ventilated bathrooms helps promote hygiene and reduce the likelihood of mold and mildew, contributing to the better health. A beautiful bathroom design can incorporate energy efficient fixtures and sustainable materials, reducing water and energy consumption, which is better for the environment and utility bills. Ultimately, a beautiful bathroom enhances both comfort and practically, making it more enjoyable space to use every day. So, while designing a bathroom requires some careful planning to balance the functionality, aesthetics, and comfort. So, here are the some key points to consider before designing your house bathroom. Like first point is layout and space. Ensure the space is adequate for your needs. Position fixtures like sink, shower, bathtub, toilet for ease of movement, and door replacement. Ensure it opens without the obstruction. Another point is the windows. Plan for natural light and ventilation if possible. Plumbing and ventilation. Keep the fixtures near existing plumbing to reduce the cost. Install a good exhaust fan to prevent mold and moisture buildup. And choose your toilet always between wall mounted or floor mounted models. Sink, like another is a sink. Consider single or double bowl sink whether you need additional counter space. If you want shower, to decide whether you want a separate shower and tub or a combinations. And most important part of a bathroom designing is the materials. Like first one is a water resistant. Select a water resistant and durable materials for walls and floors. Example like ceramic tiles, vinyl. And you choose the material which is easy to maintain, that are easy to clean and maintain. Another part is the lighting. So bright lighting around mirrors or grooming task. Always consider the soft lighting for relaxation. Even the natural light, if possible, utilize windows or skylights. And another point is the storage, like cabinetry. Plan for adequate storage for towels and cleaning supplies. Shelvings, floating shelves or built-in niches in the shower for convenience. And another point to consider is the safety, like non-slip flooring. Use the non-slip tiles or mats to prevent the falls. Consider adding grab bars near the toilet and shower for added safety, especially for elderly users. Always make the proper drainage. Ensure good drainage to avoid water pooling on the floor. Another point is the style and aesthetics. The first in that you will come the color scheme. Choose a color that suits the mood you want. Example like calming, and choose the beautiful tiles color designs that match your taste and the entire bathroom. Fixture and finishes. Select the hardware and finishes like that match overall the design. Mirror size and style. Choose a mirror that complements the space and provides adequate reflection. Another point is the energy efficiency. Water saving fixtures like install low flow toilets, faucets, and shower heads to conserve the water. Lighting. Use LED lighting for energy efficiency. And most important point is the budget cost management. So ensure that your material and fixture choice along with align with your budget, but always invest in a high quality fixtures that will last and enhance the value of the home. So considering these aspects will ensure your bathroom is both functional and aesthetically pleasing while meeting your specific needs. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to make your bathroom a beautiful design. And so keeping some important points, you can make your bathroom more beautiful and safety purpose. So friends, I hope that you will like my video. If you like our video, then please like and share this video. Thank you so much.